Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where your keyboard is typing wrong letters on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first and most obvious solution is to update the keyboard drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager, and then expand the list for keyboard. Right click on the first one, select update keyboard drivers and update them for both the keyboard list, the one with the laptop and if you have an external keyboard, that one too. Now the next one is even more important, to reset the keyboard. I'll tell you why. Because the main issue could be that the input language would be wrong. You may not know, English has countless versions: English Caribbean, English Australian, English Kiwi, English Indian, and so on. So there may be a conflict. So there is no method to reset the keyboard. Here's what you can do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to uh, the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select language and region. We have multiple languages and I think English United States should be the one that you're using. First of all, move up any other version of English. Why another version of English? Why not any other language? Otherwise, you won't be able to understand the text here. Then move up English to the top after changing it. This will reset the keyboard as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.